Good morning, and it's time for math. I love math. Here we go. Today we need page 321 and 322. Okay, remember this week we're starting on multiplication, right? Oh, it's so much. And today we're going to work with fives, okay? Working with multiplication fives is just like working on the clock, right? Because every group has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Remember, we count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So if you learn what number goes with each number on the clock, you can learn your 5 tables really, really easy, okay? So let's start on this side of our paper with the little coats, okay? We have a little girl's coat, and we have, how many coats do we have? How many coats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Okay, so how many coats do we have? We have, 4, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where do I learn to count? Okay, so we have, what do we have? We have 4 groups of coats, right? Okay, now it says how many buttons in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So it says what do we count by to find out how many buttons? What are we going to count by? We're going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, right? Okay, so how many in all? 20. Oops, sorry. 5 goes there. Forgot. 5 goes there. 20 goes there, right? Now let's make our multiplication sentence, okay? We have 4 groups, and each group has 5 in it, right? We can say 4 coats with 5 buttons, or we can say 5 buttons on 4 coats. It doesn't matter. It's the same buttons, right? Right. We still have the same number of buttons. We can say we have 4 coats with 5 buttons, or we can say 5 buttons on 4 coats. Same thing, doesn't matter which way you put it. Okay, so 4 times 5 is 20, right? Let's look at our clock. What number goes with 4? 5, 10, 15, 20. See that? Easy sneezy, right? What we want to do is the same way that you know that 4 plus 5 is 9, and 5 plus 4 is 9, just like that, right? Because you practice that. We want you to know that 4 times 5 is 20, and 5 times 4 is 20, right? Easy sneezy. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay, now down here we have pennies, right? Okay, it says circle. Oh, up here we were supposed to circle each group of 5 buttons. I forgot that part. Circle the 5 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, cool. Okay, now down here it says circle each group of 5 pennies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we want circles. Okay, we have 5 circles. Okay, right? There we go. Okay, how many groups of pennies do we have? How many? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. How many pennies in each group? 5. What do we count by? What are we going to count by? 5. So how many pennies in all? Let's count them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, right? How many pennies in all? 25. Now we need to make our number sentence. We have 5 groups and 5 in each group. 5 times 5 is 25. Let's look at our clock, right? Let's look at our clock. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 times 5 is 25. Isn't that easy? Okay, let's flip over. Let's get the other side of our paper. Okay? Over here. Simple adding. Don't forget, if you are carrying, make sure you put your 1 up top, okay? Down here it says color inside each shape. The squares, orange. The rectangles, blue. Circles, gray. Hexagons, black. Do you remember what a hexagon is? Hexagon has 6 sides. And trapezoid's red. Do you remember what the trapezoid is? Trapezoid. Boom. 2 lines, same distance apart, but the top and the bottom are different sizes. Whatever, that's a trapezoid. Or it might look like this. It doesn't matter, okay? Down here, do you remember your money? Okay, remember your money. That's a 25. That's a 1. That's a 10. And that's a 5 if you have forgotten. Put your hands on the clock and count by, what are we going to count by? Count by 10s. That's your homework for today. So what do you need to do? Do your paper, then practice your flashcards. Get ready for your exam. Yes, ma'am, Miss Susan. Okay, go and have fun.